Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change Gmail account password on PC. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I have already opened it. Once you open it, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, right over here, you'll be able to find your profile icon. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to see your profile over here. Also, you'll be able to find the option for manage your Google account. Click on it. Now you'll be led to your Google account interface. From here, you'll be able to manage your Google account. At left, you'll be able to find the options like home, personal info, data and privacy, security, etc. What you have to do is simply click on this option, security. Once you do that, you'll be led to the security interface. You'll be able to access the options related with security over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now in this section for how you sign into Google, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for password and click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to change your password. All you have to do is enter your new password over here. You'll have to use at least 8 characters. Do not use a password from another site or something too obvious like your page's name. So simply click on the field of new password. Now create a new password for yourself. Once you do that, what you have to do is confirm the new password. Re-enter the password. Now once you do that, scroll down. Now click on this option, change password, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll stay signed in on these devices after changing your password. You'll be able to see all the devices that you'll be signed in over here. Simply click on this option, change password. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your password has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the password. So that is how you change Gmail account password on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.